For the first time guys, ang OOTD ko is still the same. Kasi nga hindi kami nakauwi at hindi namin alam yun na hindi kami nakauwi. We have plan na mauwi talaga kami kahit late na. Kaso sobrang late na talaga at sobrang pagod na kami. Pati yung driver namin guys, pagod na. Kaya napag-decide na lang kami dito matulog. So, the same OOTD si Dayan is told you for the first time. Kasi hindi kami, at hindi namin alam dito guys kung saan ang home. Yeah. Anyway, we go home now. We just travel one place here. We just visit, sorry. Kitty Pie told is too much amazing place. Anyway, nandito na kami. So, i-go na lang namin. Yes. So, see you there, guys. So, look at my voice. Talagang wala na. Grabe kasi ang lamig dito, guys. Sobra. And I'm not expecting na ganito kalamig. Kaya tingnan mo nga yung wala akong gloves. Pero may dala kaming gloves. Nandun sa hotel na iwan. Di ba ito nakontento sa isla? Panay paano? Good morning! So, we are here, guys, in... Where are we, Tito Pai? Karakol. Yeah. I think, guys, na libot na namin ang place ng Kyrgyzstan. Anyway, hindi kami nakauwi kagabi. Kaya we book another hotel here. We check in at around 11 p.m. Ang daming cancellation namin guys sa booking.com. Kasi akala nila walang mag-check in na ganun, lalo na hindi nila kami kilala. For the first time, ganun ang nangyari sa amin. Sa tagal na namin sa booking.com. Buti na lang yung driver namin, siya ang nag-book po. Pero a little bit costly, pero okay na din yun. Yeah, kasi kung uuwi pa kami sa... Yeah, free breakfast lang din yung guys. Kung uuwi kami sa Bishkek guys, we traveled around 7 hours. Depende pa din kasi yung road nila, mayroong road na baka more than because we stop too much. See, it's nice also this place guys. Anyway, it's totally different in the Bishkek. Yeah, they have too much nightlife here. And then 2 AM, ang dami pang maglalakad dito. Or dahil nandito talaga kami sa main city. Kaya din siguro mahal ang hotel na kinuha namin. Guys, nandito na kami. Iba na naman daw ano doon. Trail. Yan may entrance. Hindi ko alam kung magkano. Kapakor. Welcome to Kapakor. So for today's video guys, yung inner ko lang ang napalitan. Oo, kasi ang pangit din ng mga ano nila guys, yung pang winter, nagpunta kami sa mall. Kaya tiniis ko na lang to. Anyway, after this one, we will go na in the Bishkek. Yeah. And tomorrow, we will do a city tour. Yeah. So, parang maganda din doon ah. Diba ang ganda yung snow na nasa mountain? Diba din yung ano dito eh. Style eh. Talaga yan nabasa. Good for you. You are... How can I use the phone? I like this. See? Snow. Yeah, same a foam. I like this snow than before. That we go in the back. I can see na the trees. This is good. Yeah. Oh my God. See, Kitty Pie, you are wearing a slipper. You just take your socks. Yeah.
Next week for socks.
Oh my God, where are we going? Sky Park? I want that have horse riding.
До конца маршрута 200 метров.
So guys, we are here na. Yes, I go with. You go first. Yeah. Welcome here, guys. See? Another snow here in Karakol. Another experience of snow, guys. So sorry my voice.
Nagka-concert kasi kami kagabi. Oh my God. See? Hi! Huh? Yeah, dog. Welcome here. Kitty Pie, can you take me picture here first? Grabe ang hangak. Oh my God. See, look at the snow, guys. So guys, grabe ang snow. I don't have voice now. My throat is too much pain. Oh my God. See? Yeah, this is the cable car.
This one is skiing the pool.
Skating. Ah, okay. See? Look at the snow. Hi, Kitty Pie. That is the experience of Kitty Pie Snow. How's the experience, Kitty Pie?
Amazing.
Amazing. He's like this one, guys. Then the first one we come. Ang linis ng snow nila. Pero unexpected, shout out, naka-sleeper lang si Kitty Pie. Akala kasi namin, guys, mag-horse riding lang kami ngayon. Yes. And then we will not change also. Dahil hindi kami nakauwi sa aming other hotel. Naka-stay kami dito ng bago. Nagbubook kami ulit. Alam niyo ba guys, naka-check-in kami doon ng 11 p.m. Kasi ang haba ng road trip namin kahapon eh. Kaya yun. The same outfit. Si Kitty Pie is offering her slipper with socks. See? Shout out and thank you. What is this place? What is this?
Sky Park.
Sky Park. Yeah. Thank you guys. See you in my next vlog.
അവിടെ സ്റ്റേ നോക്കാം
അവിടെ സ്റ്റേ ചെയ്യാൻ
Guys, hindi lang malamig ang sarap mag-swimming. Yeah, see, Kitty Pie, we can follow him. We can put head. Yeah, do you have seen? Oh, it's too much long, but we will close. We are renovated. It's close to restaurant. See? Sitting down. I sit up. Under dito. Pasok under renovated. Mga maintenance yan sila doon, baby. They're all maintenance. Ay, too much cold again. It's nice. Oh.